Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo magkahiwalay. Tayo po ay magiging grade 11. Ito po si Gerson. Kamusta, Gerson? Anong masasabi mo? Nauwi ka na?
Mamimiss ko amor solo. Tama na, yung.
Ikaw? Ano? Ikaw? Ikaw, Alfred. Naka-video din, pakapek. Ito si Marlon. Tignan nyo po yung mga perma sa likod niya. Pag naging matagal po, magiging vintage na yan. Ayun.
Dito ko nakakikita yung mga tinuturo sa amin, tapos itong blackboard niya. This chair, teacher's chair. No, the guy gamit the storage, the two of this chair, and the all, and with me. The inputan, the new, there's something that.
Goodbye, amor solo.
And another, the fire. I'm gonna miss this. This is my favorite spot of all time.
Paano yung pangalawa? Paano yung pangalawa? Favorite person ba yun?
And this is this is my templates in Amya. And of course, this is all.
Galing sa tatay niya yan.
This is a very important thing. The electric fan that always I use. And the extension, of course, the charging, all of that. And this is my book, all my books.
Oh, yeah, ito.
What is that?
What is that? What is
Of course,
that?
this is my lunchbox.
Let me see. Look at that.
Look at that, hey. What the fuck?
Hey, may lightning pa.
Baka. Wait lang. So, of course, this is the first lecture of all time. And the first one, and starting my class, this is my first.
This is my first chair too. First chair. First chair. Last chair.
Of course, I'm gonna miss the cleaners, cleaners, here's this. And what else?
Look at the cleaners.
Of course, this is our best school year is not complete by this, the cleaning materials like Polistambo, Lastman,
Yes.
and the Sako, of course.
Oy! Ano mo yung vlog natin?
And this is, of course, this is the best of
Ito.
all time.
Amor solo to eh. Ay, ayan nga pala.
Ano ba to? What is this?
Grade 10 na yata yun. Grade 10. Ito yung isa. Let's go.
This one. And of course, all of this bottle that we use to drink.
Yes. This is the bottles of the water bottles na nanggaling pa sa next year. Sa last year pala.
School year, also, all president, my fellow all classmates, vice president, secretary, treasurer, all of the officers. I'm gonna miss you, but I'm not gonna say it, but you can feel it. This is the favorites.
Hey.
Favorites flag of course. The Amor Solo, this is what we use for cheer dance way back 2019. 19. Favorite color, violet. Mark. Violet.
Where are me?
And of course, my bag. Of course.
My bag.
Next
Yes,
year,
the
I'm
bag.
gonna use this because I'm gonna buy new. Now it's broken,
It's okay.
This.
Let's see Gerson. Kiss natin. Group of Gerson. Bibisit.
And my favorite chair.
Yakapin niyo si Gerson.
After we wash our face with the CR, we're gonna go to this and
Yes.
gonna dehydrate. I'm gonna.
This is our territory.
Close up.
Okay, no cross up.
Of course, this is all.
Pumiyok.
I'm gonna end this my video, my vlog. So now, guys, see you next year. I hope your next journey is gonna be good. I hope your order is gonna come true. I wish you all the best, guys. And Amor Solo, all the officers, all of my classmates that we don't talk. Even if we don't talk.
What if send ko to sa Amor
Even if
Solo?
we talk you, we're gonna miss you guys so much. I can say it, but you can feel it. Bye, guys. Bye, Amor Solo. Bye. See you.